Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all really well. So today my mom is baking some tiki and I thought I should share it with you guys since a lot of you guys asked on Instagram for me to share the tiki recipe with you guys, because I did have a post with tiki that my mom made, and yeah, today I'll share with you guys on how to make it. And let's go and see what is mom doing right now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're also waiting for Imran and Niram to come so we can have lunch with them. And yeah, but while we wait for them, let's go and see what mom is doing. Oh, Maya. Okay guys, so mom is making tiki, which is budawe. Yep, so you guys know how much oil there is in it, but it tastes good, so who cares? And especially if mom makes it, it's extra special. So okay, so that's how you do it. Oh, Josh, Abu. بس كيف خلني أبي؟
بيرسلي.
طاج قصدر ميجا.
مسخوط. ماشي.
Just showing mom while we were making Cobra's story. She's having kishta that mom brought yesterday. So you know you're Afghan when you have kishta. My mom is making tiki. So it needs to look like this end result, and we're gonna glad wrap it and leave it for a few hours and before it's ready to be cooked. چقدر گرفته قبای مرکی چند دقیقه؟ It's about 15-20 minutes it will take you to do this, to like properly make it, and this is very soft. And then you leave that over the top. That's ready, and then we're gonna leave it for a few hours before we start making it. Okay guys, so I think it is almost ready. Mom just checked it and we are about to go and start designing it and making it. So let's go. Oh my god, this is heavy.
لا 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 عندنا مزقشوغي لزقا جنبي دي مسخوري بير بير بيخشني Любовуємо ще. Thank you, Barai. Thank you, Barai.
So then guys, you put milk over the top. So okay guys, so she just put 2 in. I forgot to record it. И тандура? Зеш кандашта. This is so funny. Guys, so can you see the tandoor has hole at the bottom? And I just asked her, I was like, why is it there? She's like, at least it makes it cook. It cooks the tiki. Guys, so there is 4 in there. That one's almost done because that was the first one, second, third, and fourth. Hi! Hug? No, Rus hug. How are you? Mom is making tiki. Minezi khish charishte. Pie cheese.
Pie tiki.
Pie tiki belo tandoor khosh sakhta. Yummy yummy Ram. Okay, so guys, this one is done as well. Look at how beautiful this looks. Then there is this one. That's perfect round. Iman, yeah. Okay guys, so mom just made this one for one of her friends. My little brother is taking it now. And yeah, I think the best gift is this. There you go, bro.